Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. While working on my 2003 Jeep TJ that I'm currently doing an LS swap in, I did the black grille inserts, but the chrome ring does not look good. So I need to change that out. I could have just easily painted them, but I didn't want to go to the hassle and have the paint peeling off the chrome afterwards. Plus this one bezel right there is broken. So what I did off Amazon is I picked up this rugged ridge Headlight Bezels black 97 to 2003 or 2006, sorry, my bad, Jeep TJ Wrangler. So let's have a look at them. Keeping the Jeep legend alive. I think this will actually work out good. It seems to be pretty close. The only thing I wish the kit would have had was new hardware, because I've had these lights out a few times, and over the years the screws are so small that, you know, when you got some butterfingers, sometimes the screws fall out and they fall into the abyss in the ground, and you know, once they hit the ground, you're never finding them again. So I got a mix and match. I got some Robinsons up there that are rusty, and you know, some of the factory stainless. So let's remove one of these and compare it to the other one. This is the one I put the Robinson screws in. And then Jeep likes to use the Torx. The Torx screw is not your friend. Let's just weasel that out. So what you gotta do is make sure, of course, the orientation of your tabs and everything will line up. So there's a look with the black and then the chrome. The black looks way better. So here we can look at the size comparison, because people like to know when they buy something, how does it compare to the original? And the thickness looks like it's pretty identical. I mean, the shape itself looks spot on. Looks like a good replacement for right now. However, the true test will come over time. How does the plastic stand up to the elements? How will the black hold up to the UV light? Will this start to fade? That will be determined. And there you have it, the rugged ridge black headlight bezels on a 2003 Jeep TJ, making it look a lot better than the chrome ones. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.